up. Make noise. SeaWorld San Diego. You gotta wing up. Can I get him? Can I get him? Can I get him? Oh, can I get him? Can I get him? Can I get him? Let's go.
Let me hear you. Love the way you look at me. Love the way you kiss me. Love the way you thug me. Love it when I'm with you. I wanna get away, cause you know, like I know, when there's a better day, you're coming, I'm hooked on your love and believe me. And when you hold my body, you know you're healing. Wait for me, baby. I've been going half crazy for your love, and I was told nothing was better than big and addicted. Boy, listen, I'm the only piece of the puzzle you're missing. Like when we kissing, you got girl that'll take me tonight and do what you do to me, baby.
Those eyes,
Love the way you look at me.
your lips, your smile.
Love the way you kiss me, baby.
Your hips, those thighs.
Love the way you thug me.
And I can't deny.
Love it when I'm with you, baby.
Are you really getting bored with me? Or damn, so I'm playing a lot of games, I'm playing to win.
But then again, I'm still young and I'm living my life.
You're right, and I'm the type to pull up to your bumper, get you number.
Baby, I can only help but wonder. My sweet baby, holla if you hear me. You can understand that my love is pain and how I'm feeling, babe. It's just a moment thing.
It's a man's world, but I understand.
But let's do nothing different, but let's do the plan.
Keep my down, with your round hands.
You know I'm feeling you, the way you want in my body when you touch me.
Those eyes,
Love the way you look at me.
your lips, your smile.
Love the way you kiss me.
Your hips, those thighs.
Love the way you thug me.
And I can't deny.
Love it when I'm with you, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's rock now.
Oh, I can't wait to get next to you. Oh, I just can't leave you alone.
Come on.
Boy, you got me doing things that I would never do. I can't stop the way I'm feeling if I wanted to. I'm crazy about the way that you make me simple. And if I couldn't have you, I would probably go insane.
Let's rock.
I know that you don't love it, the way that I love it, the way that I love it, the way that I love it. I woke up kinda early today and something told me from that moment it wouldn't be the same. It felt like you were hiding something, but I didn't push it, I didn't complain or say nothing. I tried to act like I didn't see it, 'cause deep down I knew I didn't want to believe it. I don't remember feeling like this.
Come on and put your hands up. Come on and put your hands up. Come on and put your hands up. Everybody, hands up.
Now, if there's anybody out there that got somebody in their life that just drives them crazy, you might want to call them your baby. I got this drum forming in my bones.